Tsunamis are among the most powerful natural forces on Earth. They begin far below the ocean floor.
A sudden shift displaces millions of tons of water.
In deep water, tsunamis move fast and almost unnoticed. But everything changes as they reach shallow water. Near the coast, tsunami waves rise with terrifying force. What was once invisible becomes unstoppable. Entire coastlines can be overwhelmed in minutes. The destruction spreads far beyond the shoreline. What remains is silence, loss, and devastation. Today, science helps us detect tsunamis before they strike.
Early warning systems track waves across entire oceans.
Warnings give communities precious time to evacuate.
Preparedness saves lives.
Understanding risk is the first step to safety.
As our journey concludes, the dawn breaks, symbolizing the resilience and enduring hope found in the natural world.
Unlike regular waves, tsunamis move the entire water column.
Notice how the wave's energy affects only the surface layer. The deeper water remains undisturbed as the orbital motion carries the energy forward.
Their energy travels through the full depth of the ocean.
From the crushing depths of the abyssal zone, where the pressure is immense, we begin our slowest. In deep water, tsunamis can travel at jet-like speeds. As water becomes shallow, the wave slows down.
From the darkness of the abyssal zone, the seabed rises along the continental slope, eventually
That lost speed transforms into rising height.
As the wave approaches the shore, the decreasing depth causes the energy to compress, forcing the wave height to increase dramatically.
As the wave slows, its energy is forced upward. The result is sudden and overwhelming flooding. Floodwaters can reach far beyond the shoreline.
As the water surges through the urban canyons, the shear force is evident. Notice how
This inland reach is known as tsunami run-up. After the surge, the danger is not over.
tsunamis often arrive as a series of waves.
As we can see in this visualization, the repeated surges cause the water levels to fluctuate significantly over time.
The first wave is not always the most dangerous.
After impact, recovery begins.
The structural integrity here is completely compromised.
Yes, the erosion accelerated much faster than projected in Sector 4.
Preparation is the most powerful defense. Knowledge and planning save lives. Science continues to improve our understanding. Understanding tsunamis helps reduce their impact.